Hello, I'm addressing you from Portugal, from Porto. I am Jorge Amil Dias, and I have been a member of ESPGHAN for many years now. The purpose of this address is to invite you to join us for the great world meeting that is happening in Vienna next May. The ESPGHAN annual meeting is a must for everyone who has an interest in pediatric gastroenterology, hepatology, and nutrition. We have state-of-the-art lectures, we have postgraduate courses, we have symposia with discussions on specific topics. We also have an endoscopy learning zone with tutors who may help you to improve your skills. And of course, we have lots of pre-presentations of oral presentations, abstracts, but also posters. So the annual meeting of ESPGHAN is the place where everyone meets every year to discuss what's new about pediatric gastroenterology, hepatology, and nutrition. I look very much forward to meeting you all there. Thank you.